And I do when I'm Libra action. What do? I can't believe the words you're saying now. What can I do? I want a Libra action. What do? I can't confection. What do you do? I found in love my soul. And now we're working on a new time. I think almost every time we run around, I'm looking down. Every time we go pink, we're running round from the popular crowd. Hi, this is Jeb and the Amber Show. We're bike riding today. This is the Amber Show. So we try to exercise
every day.
almost every day. We slept all yesterday.
No, we went on one yesterday.
Well, we got really drunk too. How are you?
I was inside or outside, I don't know.
Like a motherfucker. Love God. Cause we're dancing in our dreams.
In our seriously beauty queen.
High. Laughing in our dreams. Any laugh of our life.
And it's not so purifying one. Protective recently.
I don't know.
You know? Hey guys, This is the Jeb and Oh, is this their first time seeing Jeb's new hair?
Got to go all masculine and talk about his feelings on TV.
Like Ruth. Call her Caitlin.
Cause they're dancing in their dreams and they feel a part. Best part is dancing in their dreams and they're dancing with friends. This, oh God. She fell into the cactuses over here. We almost got.
Hey, how are you?
Fixing his car. Amber Show. Oh God. I only got my front brake. Oh God. Cause she's dancing. Whoopie go bird. But yeah, please subscribe and like usual, be cool.